Now let's talk about the function code and character. Code and character are the same.
Hello, I am Gabriel Venturini, a Brazilian with a degree in administration and specializing in strategic management and business innovation. With over 10 years of experience in the Office suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and VBA, we are producing videos in English. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And also activate YouTube notifications so it understands that the content is relevant and delivers it to more and more people. In the detailed description of this video and also in the very first pinned comment, you can easily find our complete training sessions. Now, let's get started with the content.
Let's start with the character. I'll put, for example, the character 100. Inside my computer, the character 100 represents the D. Now let's put the code. I'll put the code and select Emily. It returns 69 because the first letter E represents 69. Let's get the real proof. Just get the real proof. I'll put 69 here, E for Emily. Now let's go again. Let's put the code. William, 87. Now we have to do the real proof. 87W. Let's double-click. Now it repeated. In this case, I want to do this reference. E. William, Olivia, Ethan, Isabel, Benjamin, Sophia, James, A. and Oliver. According to the matrix code,